I I don't know why it took me a long time to upload this, but yeah, 7 days is crazy. Like it's every time, man. It's not my fault. For the main reason why I don't post like a couple every days is I wait to see how many people are is watching it, and then I will post, and then until like I after like basically to see how much people is watching my videos, and then when it stops, I post again. It's 7 days. That was my dad that texted me, and I got my phone this way, and he texted me. Yeah, so 7 days. So really, another reason is I got to go to school. I got school. It's just like a lot. It's a lot. Trust me. So it's just gonna be like candle tapping today, camera tapping, and jar sounds. Like, yep, something like this. I promise you, Bix, if you guys know what this is, this has some good sounds. I promise you. So, yeah, let's get it. On my hat. Like, shut up, Alexa. Like, anyway, so I had, oh my god, man, somebody just fell. It's alright. Let me tell. Alright, so I don't know if y'all can still hear me with this on my ear, but alright, bro. Alright, bro. My bad. She just screaming, man. I'm gonna have to pause the video again, probably. I don't know if y'all gonna like that. That actually smells good. That actually smells good. She just keep on talking, man. It's like, and she's coming by my door, so it's gonna be louder. Okay, alright, alright. So, see that corner right there? See this corner right here? See that corner right there? And you see this one right here? What I'm going to need you to do is pick a side, and whatever side you pick, that's gonna be the side you're gonna stay on. Alright? I am so. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. I was supposed to say, I want you guys to pick a side, and I was supposed to guess a side. Well, I guess if you was thinking that, you got it right. I'm basically supposed to guess a side, but we gonna continue another mess up or a video, and that is what I get when I don't post for 7 to 8 days. So, like I said, whatever side you guys picked, I'ma see if I can guess that. So, if you picked here, shoe collection. Shoe collection. Anyway, you know what? I'm gonna grab one of my shoes. Hold on, hold on. Okay, so I wear these shoes a lot. I wear these shoes a lot to school. I like them. I mean, you don't really see nobody with them because I'm a old player. I'm an old head. I got all the old shoes. You think I'm lying? One of these days I do a shoe collection video and I'll show you all my shoes. But I actually have to go somewhere in a couple of minutes, so I'm not gonna be wearing these. I'm gonna be wearing white ones, and it's snowing outside, so I mean that we should be good on that. Um, I'm gonna fit check right now. Do a fit check right here. Hold on. Alright, I have to move my chair out the way. Hey. Alright, so this video is not gonna be too long, so we're gonna finish it up with this and some more corner tapping, and we're gonna be good. It's gonna be a very short video, cause like I said, I gotta go out there. It's my grandma's birthday, so yeah. So that was unnecessary. So pause on that. Just say pause on that. Cause I had one person in my comments hating on me. So pause on that. So we're gonna do some more camera tapping. And after that, we're gonna do shoot. Okay. So I'm going to pick a corner. You guys choose a side. And I'm gonna guess side you're on. If you are at the top corner, you gotta leave a light. You gotta leave a light. Gotta leave a light. If you're at the bottom corner, you gotta leave a comment about what did you like about the video, or what do I need to improve on, or what do you want to see next. Alright, so let me guess. I'ma say you're down here. Right here. Right over here. Right over here. No. No. Okay. Just turn. Let me just turn you a little bit. Let me just turn. I'm gonna guess you are right here. Here. Right here. Right here. Yep. Right there. No. Okay. Okay. If I got that right, you don't have to do anything. You're good. You don't have to do anything. But if I got this one right, you gotta subscribe. You gotta subscribe. And please turn on the notification for your boy. So if you pick that corner, this corner right here, this to help a brother out. Come on, man. Do it for your mom. Nah, let me stop. Let me stop, man. Anyway, if you pick, I say this one already. If you pick, I did. If you pick that corner, this one right here, this one right here, that corner right there. If you pick that corner, you don't gotta do nothing. You good. I just want to add that in. So, but shoot now. So. See the bottom? They're not really dirty. Cause you know your boy watches stuff. You feel me? No. No. Okay. So how y'all day been, guys? Yeah. How y'all been? How y'all been opening up? Because I don't know. You know why I don't know? Because I've been gone for 2 weeks. Why? I don't even know. I feel like I can't be consistent at some point. Gotta get sick of this, man. Alright, we done with that. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was thinking about doing another haircut video. Cause I like when I do those videos. I feel like when I do the haircut videos, they're a lot better than my other videos. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna get up out of here. This video was actually longer than I expected, so it wasn't as short. Cause I added things in, like I always do, at the last minute. But I'm gonna get up out of here. I'm gonna see y'all boys later. Make sure you like, subscribe, and until next time.